Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been off the grid for the last 3 weeks, traveling Japan, going to Hawaii, and also going to San Diego. But we are back. Earnings season is kicking off. We've got a big week ahead. Today, I'm going to be breaking down the key companies that are reporting earnings, what to watch for, and what could impact the broader market. Let's dive right in. All right, so what's happening this week? Today, we did not have much for earnings. This week, January 12th through the 16th, marks the start of quarter 4 2025 earnings for the US markets. It's a big one for both financials and tech companies. Wall Street analysts are expecting continued earnings growth across the S&P 500, potentially making the 10th consecutive quarter of year-over-year profit growth, profit gains. Of course, with earnings, we have big banks earnings leading this week. Tuesday, January 13th, we have JPMorgan kicking things off before the market opens. Also reporting on Tuesday, we have Bank of New York, Delta Airlines. Wednesday brings Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Citigroup. Thursday features heavy hitters like Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley, and BlackRock. Finally, Friday wraps up with PNC Financial, State Street, and M&T Bank, among the other names. This is a big week. Investors will be listening closely to these bank earnings for insights into loan demand, interest margins, and economic confidence as markets digest the CPI data that came out today and rate cut expectations. We have Delta Airlines also reporting on Tuesday as well, giving us an early read on the airline industry's performance heading into 2026. Analysts expect some moderation in revenue growth, but tightening margins compared to year-ago figures. Then on Thursday, we have Taiwan Semi reporting earnings, which could give us early clues on chip demand, especially with AI and data center spending still in focus. What we're going to be watching for this week: what are the key themes traders and investors should watch for this week? Bank profitability and guidance. Are banks seeing stronger loan growth? And what are they saying about rates and credit quality? Interest margins. With inflation and CPI data still on top of the mind of investors, margins will come under scrutiny in a time like this. Airline demand signals. Does Delta's report hint at wider travel industry strength or a K-shaped economy? And then we have tech earning trends with TSMC and other tech reporters on deck. Tech's role in the broader earnings growth will be a hotly debate. Some market context: we did have JPMorgan already react to early earnings results this week. JPMorgan's initial numbers saw mixed reactions from investors, while broader market indices are balancing earnings optimism and macroeconomic pressures, such as inflation data and rate expectations. So that's your earnings preview for this week. We're finally entering quarter 4 2025 earnings season in a big way. The next few days could move the markets in a good or a bad way. If you're trading or investing around these reports, expect volatility, keep an eye on guidance, and how management teams frame the year ahead. If you liked the video, make sure to like that button. Thanks for watching Stock Grab. Peace.